I'm not necessarily saying that this is a place where pheasants are passing through or ground birds, but you get the idea. If this was a pathway that ground birds was passing through, because you can see their tracks in snow, and you put your piece of wood across like that, and put your snares in lines going across it, and you could even, if you wanted to, stick sticks between to kind of break it up a bit to force them through the certain areas. But that's the basics of it. Tie it strongly to each end and set your snares like that, and you could tie these somewhere else and carry them out and put them in place.